Hey guys, Kalita here, and today's recipe of the day is going to be the vegan green bean casserole recipe, and you can find this recipe over on my website, theveganmomonline.com, and it's 100% vegan, and I've made this recipe before. It was my own recipe, but I looked for a recipe that was as similar to what I had made previously for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And green bean casserole is one of my favorite dishes, hands down, that I have taken away from my time living in South Carolina. I absolutely love green bean casserole. So I decided that this week especially I will be doing a lot of recipes that you can make for Thanksgiving. Those people who are in the US, in Canada, Thanksgiving is already gone. And then for those of you who are not celebrating Thanksgiving coming up, you can use these for Christmas. So this week especially, I'm going to be giving you my favorite vegan dishes, and they'll mostly be casseroles and stuff along that line that you can use for Christmas and Thanksgiving. And it's late here and I'm getting hungry just thinking about all the good dishes that I'm going to be making for Christmas and that I will be sharing with you. So I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. So go below this post and leave a comment and let me know how it turns out for you. Let me know what you think about this particular recipe. And for me personally, I tweak recipes. I'll go online and I'll see a recipe that I like, but I tweak it. I add maybe a little bit more spice, maybe a little bit less. I'm going to add some more of something or whatever. I like my casseroles to be really rich, but I like it to have like a clean taste. I don't know if that makes sense. So let me know what you've done differently in your dish, what you changed, how you liked it, how everyone else liked it. And guys, let me know what kind of recipes you would like to see. So I will see you tomorrow on the next post, on the next video, and let's just keep on crushing it, guys. See you.
Bye-bye.